Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Weltrade to MT5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to download and install the MT5 application on your device from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you have done that, you just have to simply launch it. Now you are going to see this type of interface of MT5 in front of you. So here, simply tap on the option of Add Trading Account. Now it will ask you to find the broker or to look for the server. So here when you type Weltrade, you are going to see System A Gates Limited from Weltrade server. So when you tap on it, it is going to ask you to provide your existing login credentials. So in order to get these login ID and password, you need to first of all log in into your Weltrade account. When you log in there, you just have to go to the settings. In your settings, you are going to see the MT5 login credentials. So it includes the MT5 server, your login ID and the password. So you need to get those from your Weltrade account. After that, you need to paste your login ID first, then provide your password. Afterwards, simply click on the option of login. So this way you will be able to connect your Weltrade account to MT5 in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.